Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. This week we get to look at a French balcony stateroom on deck 4, the Jasmine deck on AmaDahlia. Coming into the stateroom, you can see it's a beautiful, spacious stateroom with a nice desk right there, and they have a coffee and tea service right here, which is very nice. Got a backlit mirror over the desk and a little chair there. Got a mini fridge right here, which is stocked every day with bottled water. AmaWaterways also includes beer and wine with lunch and dinner, and soft drinks and coffee throughout the day. You've got some drawers here for more storage space. Nice flat screen TV above the dresser, and more drawers above this little dresser, so plenty of storage space. We were aboard for a week and had a wonderful time and had plenty of space for all of our belongings. Got a comfortable chair, and this is one of the best features, the French balcony. So you can slide open this sliding glass door and have a beautiful view of the Nile River going by. And you can lay in your bed and watch the river go by too. This stateroom is on deck 4, so you have a nice high view of the river and all the scenery as you're sailing down the Nile River. You can see you have a big, beautiful king-size bed. It can also be configured as twin beds if you prefer. Have night tables on both sides of the bed. There's your temperature controls for your stateroom, and another drawer for more storage space. And the beds are lofted, so you can store your bags or other belongings underneath the bed for additional storage space. And coming over to the other side of the bed, got another night table for additional storage and individually controlled lights. They also have UK and European and USB plugs, and you've got this nice little reading light that you could use. They have one on both sides of the bed, and these individually controlled lights. So very convenient, and just a lovely stateroom with all kinds of storage space. Coming back over by the door, you can see there's the bathroom, and there's one of the robes you can use while you're on board. It's a nice single vanity with storage space underneath the sink. There's the facilities, of course, and a phone in case you need it, and a nice big walk-in shower with bath amenities there on the wall and a shower wand, so you can control the height and direction of the shower. So very nice. And then last but not least, you have the closets just inside the door. 2 closets. So on this side you've got more shelf space, safe for your valuables. There's 2 umbrellas you can use there while you're on board. Plenty of hangers and your life vests, of course. And here's the other side. So there's the other robe and your slippers you can use while you're on board, and more hanging space. They also have full-length mirrors on both sides of the doors. So just a lovely French balcony stateroom on AmaDahlia on the Jasmine deck, deck 4. So when you're ready to book your Nile River cruise with AmaWaterways or any small ship cruise, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.